Yeah, bro, do you wanna go into the bed then?
Sure, Bill. Let's go. Well, I gotta pack my bag, so let's go. Alright, just go. Alright, let's go. Yo, Bill, I'm gonna build a tent right there, okay?
Okay.
You're gonna get some food, alright?
Nice, Chucky, nice, Chucky. I got the food.
You got the food? Thank
Yes,
you very
please.
much. Let's see. Oh, that's some foodie. Alright,
From the duck.
goodie. Now, we need to start the fire. Let's... okay. The fire is done, but my hand hurt because I put my hand in the fire. But now, it's about to go to sunset. So, we need to go to sleep. Okay?
Okay.
Okay. Let's go. Alright, bro. Let's go to sleep.
Good night, bro.
I heard thunder. I'm scared. Help me. Let's go to sleep. It's okay.